Hi, this is a tutorial for our hosts, and I'll show you some of the options available to you during your meeting. For example, if you're giving your presentation and you do not want to be disturbed, you can click on Options and select View Only Mode. View Only Mode will mean that the participants are grayed out and cannot interact with you while you're giving your presentation. Once your presentation is done, click Options, select View Only Mode again, and everybody will be able to participate. You can also select certain participants for view only mode. So right click on their name, restrict the person to view only mode, and again to undo it, right click again and select that menu item again. You may want to dismiss a participant from the meeting, and here you go to host and co-host options and select dismiss from meeting. This means they cannot rejoin the meeting. So even if they try to, they will not be able to rejoin the meeting. Okay? You may also want to lock the meeting. So the times you would lock the meeting are when you have enough participants, or you want certain participants to join by a certain time, and if they're late you're going to lock the meeting. So click on your options, select lock the meeting, and now the meeting is locked. To unlock it, you simply click on options and click on lock the meeting again, and that will unlock it. Okay. If you want to promote a co-host to be a host, you click on their name, go to host and co-host options and select promote to co-host. You'll now see their name appears in bold. What a co-host can do is everything that you can do. Provided they have the podium, they will be able to upload and run the meeting just like you can. To demote a co-host, you'd simply right click and select the menu item like I've shown you here. Okay. To request remote control of a participant's computer, for example, you may be wanting to perform maintenance on their computer, you may be wanting to show them how to use a certain piece of software that you might be explaining to them. Whatever reason that you have to take over somebody's desktop, you must give them the podium. Once you've given them the podium, right click on their name, go to host and co-host options, and you can request remote control. Once you request remote control, they will be given a box that pops up on their computer where they have to click OK, and at that point you will be completely running their desktop and be able to open any applications and work with them on their own desktop. You'll also be able to perform maintenance if that's what the function is that you needed to do. That's a great feature. And then finally, to record a meeting, you simply select options and then click on meeting recorder. And once you click on meeting recorder, you'll see next to the little door here there'll be a flashing R, and that indicates that you are recording the meeting. If you want to stop recording, you would just select options again, meeting recorder, and you'll find the AVI file saved automatically onto your desktop of your computer. At that point you can edit it and then share it with your participants at a later date. That's the tutorial on host options.